Mobile Home, a Spanish employer, makes a specialty of crafting clever, steeply priced mobile houses that prioritize comfort and sustainability. Each home is constructed the usage of premium substances and excessive stop finishes, with insulation designed for energy performance. The interiors showcase a mix of luxurious and innovation, featuring extremely good substances for floors, partitions, and ceilings. Keu Mobile Homes come in lots of fashions, every inspired by way of an exclusive season: spring, summer season, autumn, and iciness, offering precise designs with distinct colors and textures whilst maintaining top-tier excellence and luxury. These houses are ready with cutting-aspect clever features, along with clever curtain control, biometric get-entry to locks, underfloor heating, LED lights, and an advanced aircon device. Keu Mobile Homes are a brilliant choice for those looking for a high-priced and comfortable manner to journey or explore new locations. They additionally present a sustainable living solution for those interested by green housing options. The Mercedes RV-Armadillo Conqueror T 2023 is a pricey off-road leisure automobile built on the sturdy Mercedes-Benz A06x6 truck chassis. Designed to overcome the hardest terrains, it gives all the modern comforts you'd anticipate from an excessive CES RV. The residing space can expand to 25.5 square meters, consisting of a facet-opening terrace that adds to its spacious design. Inside, the RV boasts a main bedroom with a queen-sized bed, a full lavatory with shower and bathroom, a well-prepared kitchen featuring a sizable refrigerator and stove, and a comfortable dwelling room entire with a dining table and couch. For out-of-doors amusement, the terrace includes a 50-inch TV and a top-rate Bose sound gadget. The Conqueror T 2023 is powered by way of a 625-horsepower Mercedes-Benz OM 473 engine, paired with a 12-pace Allison automatic transmission. Its superior four-wheel pressure machine, with differential locks and a crucial tire inflation machine, guarantees superior overall performance even in the maximum remote and rugged terrains, making it the remaining automobile for luxurious off-road adventures. A design company has reimagined the Tesla Semi as an RV concept, combining the dream of mobile living with the innovation of electric power and autonomous driving. While traditional RVs are popular, an electric, self-driving RV offers a vision for the future of both travel and housing. Unlike conventional RV designs on truck platforms, this concept envisions a vehicle that autonomously drives you to your destination, allowing you to relax or handle daily tasks. The idea of a solar-powered electric camper is highly appealing, providing the ability to live off the same battery that powers the vehicle, all while producing zero emissions. With solar energy, you can live completely off-grid, charging at night and traveling during the day. The Tesla Semi presents an exciting foundation for the future of electric motorhomes. The Mars 15 Premium is a versatile hybrid caravan that blends the practicality of a camper trailer with the superior functionality of an off-avenue caravan. Designed for adventurous families, it gives a really perfect blend of comfort. Built on a robust chassis, the Mars 15 Premium comes with off-avenue functions like unbiased suspension, excessive floor clearance, and all-terrain tires. It operates independently from campsite hookups thanks to its included sun panels, lithium-ion batteries, and water filtration systems. Innovative features like the Pop Pinnacle roof, which provides greater sleeping space, and the slide-out kitchen for easy meal prep make this caravan best for outdoor fans. Whether you're a circle of relatives, a pair, or a retiree looking for luxurious and self-sufficiency, the Mars 15 Premium guarantees you may discover the superb exterior in consolation and fashion. The Ecocapsule is a fully self-sustaining micro-home that may be installation nearly everywhere on the planet. It harnesses solar and wind electricity and features a Rainwater Series gadget, making it best for off-grid living. Inside, the Ecocapsule comes geared up with a kitchenette, lavatory, and drowsing region, providing all of the critical comforts of domestic. Built from long-lasting substances, it's miles designed to endure harsh climate conditions while being highly energy green. This modern micro-domestic is best for those seeking an extra sustainable lifestyle or wishing to journey to far-flung places without the want for traditional lodging. It additionally suits people who select minimalist residing without sacrificing key facilities. For anybody searching for an eco-friendly, low-priced, and compact answer for dwelling off the grid, the Ecocapsule is a wonderful choice. Marathon Coach 1379 is a masterpiece of luxury living on the road, blending stylish design, modern era, and unmatched comfort. Built on the strong Freightliner X345 chassis, this motorhome offers a spacious double-slide layout that complements the dwelling revel in. Its outside dazzles with a putting combination of deep purple and polished silver, growing a visual spectacle. Inside, the opulence maintains with top-rate finishes and excessive quit amenities. The residing area boasts 2 plush cream leather-based sofas, televisions, and an entire entertainment system, making sure rest and amusement. The completely prepared galley features a tremendous refrigerator, induction cooktop, integrated microwave, and glossy Korean countertops, making meal coaching a breeze. Marathon Coach 1379 is the ultimate desire for people who searching for both luxury and advanced generation in a cellular domestic, best for individuals who refuse to compromise on consolation. This innovative promotional truck transforms into a full-scale entertainment venue in minutes, making it perfect for brands on the move. The BRAC truck's mobile event space expands from a compact size to an impressive 130 square meters in just 20 minutes. After your event is finished, it folds back down effortlessly, allowing you to quickly head to the next destination. Equipped with essential features like Wi-Fi, air conditioning, and a bathroom, the BRAC truck offers everything needed for a seamless event. Once unfolded, it becomes a show-stopping venue with 4 transparent glass walls, providing access from all sides and filling the space with natural light. Inside, modern white sofas, tables, and an LED bar create a welcoming atmosphere for guests. You'd never believe this sleek, stylish setup started as a truck. The ElectricBrands XBUS is a fully modular electric vehicle designed for versatility, reworking into more than one configurations, which includes a campervan, pickup truck, or well-known van. Its lightweight build and adaptable layout make it ideal for numerous makes use of, with a number of up to 600 kilometers on an unmarried fee. The bus is powered by using a 15 kilowatt-hour battery percent, with the option to improve to a 24 kilowatt-hour percent for prolonged variety. Additionally, its incorporated solar roof can generate up to 1,500 watts of strength consistent with day, assisting to, in addition, extend its driving range. The bus can be customized with exceptional modules tailored to unique desires. For instance, the camper module includes a sleeping location for 2, a kitchenette, and a bathroom, whilst the pickup module capabilities a shipment bed for transporting items or equipment. This car sticks out for its versatility, sustainability, and fee effectiveness, making it a compelling alternative to standard vehicles. It's additionally designed for clean protection and repair, providing long time period price and convenience.